Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the internal carotid artery and their branch. Before proceeding, I would like to tell you about the internal carotid artery. Internal carotid artery is a branch of common carotid artery. You can easily see in this diagram. That is, common carotid artery is giving two branches. One is external carotid artery and one is internal carotid artery. External carotid artery we have already read in the previous lecture, so you can check it out there. And today we'll read internal carotid artery. Carotid artery is a branch of common carotid artery. It is the principal artery supplying brain and eye. I have already drawn the diagram of the internal carotid artery, so it will not take so much time. Internal carotid artery is divided into four parts. That is, first part is cervical, petrous part, cavernous part and cerebral part. Cervical part give no branches, petrous part give two branches, cavernous part is also giving two branches, and the cerebral part we have five branches. Now we will look each and every branches. Now we will see branches from each part. Cervical part give no branches, petrous part give corticotympanic branch and the artery of the pterygoid canal. Cavernous part give two branches. First branch is cavernous branches to the trigeminal ganglion. Second branch is superior and inferior hypophyseal branches. Superior and inferior hypophyseal branch. And cerebral part give five branches. Now cerebral part give five branches. The first branch is ophthalmic artery. This artery supply the structure of orbit. P for posterior communicating artery. Third we have middle cerebral artery. Fourth we have anterior middle cerebral artery, anterior cerebral artery. Fifth we have anterior choroidal artery. Now these are the five branches which are given by cerebral part. How you will remember all these branches? I have framed simple mnemonic to it. Mnemonics. Oh, please. Ma. O stand for ophthalmic artery. P stand for posterior communicating artery. M stand for middle cerebral artery. A stand for anterior cerebral artery. And 1A stand for anterior choroidal artery. Now, summarizing all, internal carotid artery is important for UG level and also for NET. Direct questions always asked from this part, that anterior cerebral artery is a branch of which part or which artery. From the examination point of view, internal carotid artery and the branches are very important. So I have framed the simple mnemonic to remember it. Summarizing all, we can say that internal carotid artery is a branch of common carotid artery. It is a principal artery supplying brain and eye. Internal carotid artery is divided into 4 parts. First part is cervical part, which has no branches. Petrous part, which has two branches, that is corticotympanic branch and the artery of the pterygoid canal. Cavernous part, we have two branches, cavernous branches to the trigeminal ganglion, and second is superior and inferior hypophyseal branches. Cerebral part, we have 5 arteries. How can you remember it? Oh, please ma. O stand for ophthalmic artery, P stand for posterior communicating artery, and M stand for medial cerebral artery, E stand for anterior cerebral artery, and another A stand for anterior choroidal artery. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. For more details, you can check the description box. In my next video, I will be telling you about the circle of Willis.